We did 120 boilers. Compared to the last financial year, I did 12 boilers. I'm Sam from Sam Palmer Plumbing and Heating. So I've been at Trade Mastermind for over a year now. From when I started about 8 years ago, it's gone progressively up. Before, I was on about 300 something thousand. I've just done 560,000. My biggest win since joining Trade Mastermind is probably the confidence to do a sale in a house, understanding the blueprint on lead gen as well, just being more confident in the sales aspects as well. I think it's very important you understand your numbers, especially how much you're spending and projecting what you can afford to do, how many leads you can buy. And I got to a point in the business I was a bit fed up with it, and I saw actually a video of someone I kind of know who's done very well, so I thought I'd give it a go. So I had the best month since joining, 20 boiler installs in July, which is supposed to be a summer month where it's not supposed to be as busy, but we got 20 boilers over the line. From my financial year, we did 120 boilers. Compared to the last financial year, I did 12 boilers. Would I recommend Trade Mastermind? Yes. To anyone who wants to understand how businesses run and to elevate your business to a different level.